Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bree Mesquit. Today I have a really awesome training video for you. I'm going to be drawing out my beginner and advanced Brazilian patterns. This is definitely a video you're going to want to save. But before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications so that you never miss another training video. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to be drawing out beginner patterns. So I'm not going to go into every single detail of positioning and all of that. I will be writing out the pattern and the type of strip that you need for each area that we're covering. But if you guys need any more in-depth than that, then go ahead and check out my other demo videos where I actually demo a full Brazilian on a live human. I also have a free 6-week course, so you guys can check that out as well. Grab pen and paper. You're going to want to write this down so you have it on hand when you guys are practicing your Brazilians. So first, let me tell you the difference between a beginner Brazilian and an advanced. A beginner, our goal at first is to get this done in 30 minutes. Once you get down to 20 minutes, then it's time to go ahead and switch over to the advanced patterns. We will be laying 2 strips at a time with our beginner patterns versus the advanced patterns where we will be laying 3 strips at a time. The advanced pattern is designed to help you get your Brazilians down to 15 minutes or under as low as 7 minutes. All right, let's start drawing out our beginner pattern. So just imagine this is your client's legs in butterfly position. This is the labia area and booty. All right, so for beginner, we're going to start with our bikini line. So we're using small basic method. We're laying in a downwards motion. This is your first strip, and it's a small basic strip. Strip number 2, same thing, opposite side. And again, small, basic. If you're not familiar with the terminology I'm using on these strips, then go ahead and check out my video where I teach you the 6 different strips that you need to know as a waxer to perform any service. All right, after those strips have set, we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Of course, we remove in the opposite direction. And now we will be getting ready for our labia strips. So that's one thing that's going to be a little bit different between the beginner pattern and the advanced is that we will be breaking up our labia strips into an inner and outer strip. All right, so first just pick a side. We're using painter tool method. Very, very, very important. This will be strip number 3. And then we're going to do that exact same thing on the other side using painter tool as well. And this will be strip number 4. All right, once those ones have set, we're going to remove in the opposite direction. And now we are combining doing a inner labia strip with an upper bikini line. So at this point, we don't want to be laying both inner labia strips at the same time because we run into the risk of them touching and getting stuck, and we don't want that. So this is strip number 5. This is painter tool again. And then we have our upper bikini line, which is going to be strip number 6. And we're back to small basic. All right, once those are ready, we are going to remove opposite direction and do the exact same thing, but on the other side. So that's what's so incredibly important about our patterns, is making sure what we do to one side, we do to the other, because it keeps us on track, efficient, making sure we're not skipping or missing any areas, creating the service to take so much longer at the very end when you have random strips to clean up. So we have our inner labia on the opposite side. This is painter tool. And then we have our upper bikini line on the opposite side, again using small basic. All right, so that was strips number 7 and 8. The labia is now completely done, and now we just have hair left here in the center, so we're gonna go ahead and remove these strips. All right, after we remove those strips, we're left with all the hair just here on the mons pubis. That is the technical term for this area. We are splitting this into 4 separate strips. So we're gonna start with what I call our outer wings, and we will be using small basic method for these 2 strips as well. So this is strip number 9 and 10. All right, once those are ready to remove, we will go ahead and remove them again in the opposite direction. And now we are just left with the very center, which we are going to split into 2 separate strips. So you're gonna go straight down, kind of off-centered a little bit. The lip of your strip is gonna go right to the top of the labia. This is strip number 11, and we are doing small basic. Probably caught on by now how I do my pattern, so you probably guessed correctly. The next one's gonna be the same thing, opposite side. This will be strip number 12. So you can see, even with this being a beginner pattern, we're still really able to get this done in not very many strips at all. Small basic, off-centered, strip number 12. All right, at this point, I'm not gonna be drawing out cleanup strips. You would just do cleanup strips as needed. Most common area is gonna be backwards labia strips. I almost always do that, even if I don't visibly see hair. The only time I skip out on that is if I see that they have really sensitive skin, and I feel like their skin may just not be able to handle it, but I do 99% of the time do backwards labia strips. If you need to clean up top on the mons pubis, then you will go ahead and just lay a strip all the way across the top, covering the entire area, and then all the way in the opposite direction if it does need a third cleanup strip. With bikini line, a good time to be doing bikini line cleanup strips is when you're doing these center strips, because since you're only able to lay one at a time, then you're having to wait for it to set. So as you're doing this one, you can do the cleanup strip on this bikini line. While you're doing this strip number 11, we could have been doing a cleanup strip on this bikini line. All right, once this is done, we will go ahead and remove, do our cleanup strips, and now it's time to move on to booty strip. There's our booty. All right, so you're pulling your client knees to chest. That is how you want to position them. And what I like to do is just lay a strip off-centered, straight down, laying the lip onto the booty area. This will be strip number 13, and this is small basic or painter tool, whichever is easier for you, and you can switch this up based on the client, their flexibility, your positioning, whatever's most comfortable. You can use either method on this area. All right, and then we will do the same thing opposite side. So go ahead and remove that. Also, it's completely up to you, and this again can vary per client. If it's more comfortable to lay this booty strip in an upwards motion, go for it. You can totally lay it going upwards as well. Just make sure when you go to remove that you are pulling all the way through and that the lip of the strip is not on the labia. It needs to be on the leg, not on the labia. All right, you'll go ahead and remove that. If any cleanup strips are needed, you'll go ahead and do that in the opposite direction. Also, if you're having a hard time getting that tailbone area, which is a place you do not want to miss, this is going to cause an issue with client retention. If you are missing that area, go ahead, have them flip flat on their tummy, and you can reach the tailbone area super easy. All right, that was our beginner Brazilian pattern. Let's get into our advanced pattern now. Quick interruption to the show to bring you guys an offer you won't be able to resist. If you have not yet tried Rebel Wax, then head over to our site, lashandwaxoc.com, and use code TRYREBEL. All one word, code is TRYREBEL, and you can claim 2 free sample size bags. So with the advanced pattern, we will actually be laying 3 strips at a time. So that makes this a little bit different than the beginner pattern. So we're actually starting on the labia. So we will be doing our labia strip first. First strip, same thing, painter tool method. Never changes, always using painter tool method on the first initial strip for the labia. All right, whatever labia you're doing, you're gonna do that same side for the upper bikini line. And this will be your second strip, and we're still using our small basic method. Now the reason we're doing on the same side is because we need to leave ourselves some room to go ahead and lay this bikini line strip using small basic as well. All right, so we laid in this order, but we're gonna remove in the opposite. The reason being is most oftentimes the hair on the labia is thicker and coarser. Thinner the hair, thinner the strip, thicker the hair, thicker the strip. So thicker strips need a little bit more time to set. This is gonna be decently thick as well. Usually bikini line doesn't have a ton of hair. If it does, then thicken that strip up too. But oftentimes I'm laying in this order and removing in the opposite. So let's go ahead and remove these strips, and then we're gonna be doing the same thing on the opposite side. All right, so now we're doing labia again, straight down, strip number 4, upper bikini line, same side, strip number 5, and bikini line, strip number 6. This is small basic, and painter tool. So you can see how much quicker this service is going now. So the goal is to be able to get this down to 15 minutes, even as quick as 7 with this pattern. All right, go ahead, remove those. And now we are moving on to the mons pubis. The difference with this area now is we are not splitting it into 4 separate strips. We're actually splitting it just into 2. So you really have just kind of centered right here, and we're going to cover this whole area. Please keep in mind, this is not drawn to scale, so go ahead and check out my actual live Brazilian demos on a live human, and this will make a little bit more sense for you. So this is strip number 7. Okay, at this point we cannot be laying both at the same time because they will run into each other. Great time to do a cleanup strip on bikini line if needed. We're using small basic method on this one. You also can use painter tool method if you prefer. Play around with it and see what works best for you. All right, we're gonna remove that one when it's ready. And now we're doing, you guessed it, the same thing on the other side. All right, so we're covering this whole area here, laying in that direction. Strip number 8, small basic, or like I said, if you prefer to do painter tool method, totally fine. The biggest thing is that we're applying the correct amount of pressure, the correct amount of wax, and we're always on the edge of our stick. We're never buttering or laying flat. Once that one is ready to remove, go ahead and remove it. Do cleanup strips as needed, backwards labia most often, and then knees to chest for booty strip. Same thing as beginner, just 1 strip at a time. Downwards or upwards position, whatever's more comfortable. You can do small, wait, this is number 9. You can do small basic or painter tool, whatever works for you to make sure that you are using the correct technique. All right, so that side, go ahead and remove in the opposite direction of whatever it is that you laid it. And that is strip number 10. So you can see we pretty drastically cut out a lot of the patterns. This is gonna help speed you up, make your first goal with the beginners. Once you get that beginner pattern down to a consistent 20-minute Brazilian, just simply switching to the advanced pattern is going to take off at least 5 to 10 minutes for you. All right, let me know if this was helpful in the comments below. Let me know what other training videos you guys would like to see as well. And make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, save this to come back to, and then I'll see you back next week.